So students, we have discussed about this lump sum and installments when we issue the debentures and installments. Now we will discuss about the different conditions of the issue of the debentures. Till now we have learned when we issue the debentures at par. Okay. Now we will learn when we issue the debentures at premium. Premium and discount, we will see how to pass the entry. So instead of taking any illustration, I'm just taking example myself so you'll understand better. Yes, 4,000 shares of rupees 100 each. Okay, application 20 rupees, allotment 50, including premium of rupees 20 per debenture. Right? First call 30. Balance when required. Right? So 4,000 debentures of rupees 100 each issued at 20 rupees premium. We have discussed, students, when you are getting something more than the face value, or we can say that you are issuing the debentures more than face value, right? So this is termed as premium, right? Something more than face value is termed as premium. So here the value of one debenture is 100 rupees, but you are issuing at 120 rupees. 20 rupees premium you are asking. Alright. So we have to prepare the table. Application 20 rupees, allotment 50, including 20 rupees premium. So how should we write it? Yes, how to write? 30 plus 20. Alright? Because this 30 is the face value and 20 is the premium. And on first call we are asking 30 rupees. And he said balance when required. Right? So what is the balance? We must write this 100 and 30 and 30, 60 and 20, 80. So what is the balance? 20. This is second and final call. Alright, so 100 plus 20. This is your 20 rupees premium here in this question. Okay. So how to do? That's very simple like earlier. The first one is bank account debit to, hurry up, to debenture application. How much you will be asking? 4,000 into 20. 80,000 you are asking. Alright. Now next one you will be receiving the amount. This is the first case, students. Here I think I have already discussed this in the class. First time we receive the amount first, then we transfer this application money to the debenture. And after that first we due and then money is received. Okay. So debenture application account debit to, suppose these are the 10% debentures. Okay. So what goes in the debenture? Face value. Okay. So this is 80,000 again, the same one. Now those who are attending the class first time, pay attention. Premium. Always we pass the entry in the books of the company and we think from the point of view of company. Alright. These 2 points we have to always take care. Now, instead of 30 rupees, company is receiving 50 rupees. So, is that loss to the company or benefit to the company? Yes, is that gain or loss to the company? It's gain. Instead of 30 rupees, it is getting 50 rupees. Yes, gain or loss? Gain. It's gain. 20 rupees, it's getting extra. Okay, so all the gains and incomes and all the faidas are credited. All the expenses and losses are debited according to the nominal account. Alright. So first we due the amount of allotment. The entry is debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture. Alright. How much you are asking on debenture allotment? Allotment पे कितना मांग रहे हैं आप? You are asking complete 50 rupees, 30 plus 20. You are asking the whole amount, face value plus premium. 50 rupees you are asking, okay? So 4,000 debentures into 50. What comes? It's 2 lakh. Alright students? Okay? Is this right? We have already discussed this.
It's not right.
I have told you one thing. Can you explain me? Is this the face value?
No, ma'am.
What is the face value? I've told you in debenture always face value comes, and one more point I've told you regarding the number of shares and debentures issued. So here this problem is not there because the same number has been applied by the public which we wanted to issue. 4,000 here, so there is no problem. But what comes here? Face value. And what is the face value? 4,000 into Ayush. Face value is 30. Because we have taken 50 rupees. Here also I have written this. So 50 rupees is including premium also. And premium we have to show separately. Okay, debenture में क्या आएगा? Face value आएगा. So what comes here? Is that clear? So if you look at the entry, so still some mistake is there, isn't it? Something is missing because your debit and credit is not equal. Here it is debited by 50 and it is credited by 30. I'm taking a lot of time while making you understand because some students they are new. So please this will not be repeated neither in the shares and nor debentures. So please be attentive and learn it carefully. Okay. So 30 we have taken. So it is debited by 50, credited by 30. Still something is missing. What is that? That is 20 rupees premium. I've told you the premium is gain and that will be credited. And every debit and credit has their own name. Okay. So what is the name? To security premium reserve. Right? How much? 4,000 into 20. So this is 80. Now you can verify your debit and credit is equal. Is that clear? Fine students? Now next you will receive the amount as still the questions are simple, no areas and all. Bank account debit to debenture allotment account. Fine? The whole amount, complete 2 lakh rupees you are receiving. Alright students? Is that clear? So rest of the entries you can do yourself, there is no problem at all. Fine? We just do the first call, debenture, first call, account debit to debenture, then bank account debit to debenture, first call. Clear? Yes. Now in this only we are learning. Yes. Let me clear one more point, then we will take one of the question or illustration. Alright. This was issued at premium. Company can issue the debentures at discount also. Company is free to issue the debentures at discount. I've told you in the theory class. Alright. And you should keep this point in your mind regarding shares. And this is debenture. Sometimes students get confused. Condition of issue. Shares can be issued at par and at premium. That's all. Debentures are issued at par, at premium and at discount also. And here this is not available. Will you remember? Yes, all of you? Okay. Condition of issue I'm talking about. Redemption वाली बात बाद में, ठीक है? So issue की क्या condition है? Shares can be issued at two conditions, par and premium, but debenture can be redeemed. Can be issued at all the three conditions. Okay. So two conditions we have done. The third one. And if I say issued at 10% discount, this discount and premium can be given given in the percentage also, and this percentage is of the face value always. Face value is 100 का 10%, this is 100 rupees. Alright? Okay? So once again, application 20 rupees, allotment 40, first call 30, first and final call. So what is its total? What is its total? What is its total? 90. So what your mind says? The face value is given 100, and as we do the calculation, so we found it at 90 rupees. So 10 rupees is discount, and that has already given in the question that these debentures has been issued at 10% discount. So this is obvious that 10 rupee discount we have given something. Now they will give you in the question either this discount is provided on the application, allotment, or first and final call. And if it is not given, then it is as usual on allotment. Okay? And regarding the premium also, if it is given anywhere, so we provide there, and if it is not mentioned in the question, so it will be given on allotment. This is applicable in the shares, right, and debentures as well. All right? So take care, students. If it is mentioned in the question, fine, otherwise this will be treated on allotment. Either this is premium or discount. Fine? Palak? Okay? So now I have told you this is an allotment. Well, students, how much of the allotment now? As regarding the premium, we have done 30 plus 20. So this is what? 50. Right? What is due an allotment? 50. But what I will receive? 40. 10 rupees discount. So let's see how to do the entries. Okay? So the first entry is, as usual, bank account debit to debenture application 4,000 by 20 is your 80,000. Fine. Now debenture application account debit to 10% debenture. All right.
इश्यू में 10% डिस्काउंट पे कर रहा है तो एप्लीकेशन पे डिस्काउंट करना चाहिए ना अलॉटमेंट पे कर रहा है
हटा के बात करो. हाँ, क्या कह रहे हो?
ना अगर इश्यू 10% डिस्काउंट पे कर रहा है तो एप्लीकेशन पे डिस्काउंट करना चाहिए ना अलॉटमेंट पे कर रहा है.
What? This is the rule, बेटा. एप्लीकेशन पे क्यों मिलना चाहिए?
इश्यू कर रहे हैं 10%.
So this is the condition. Company, if company wants it on application, okay, fine. But if company doesn't want it on application, it wants it on allotment, then we have to treat in the allotment. Company may provide the discount just at the end. Company को पहले पैसा चाहिए, बाद में वो discount देगी. So completely depends upon the policy of the company. And if company did not decide any policy, it didn't mention anything, then Companies Act will be applicable, and the Act says this will be treated on allotment. Is that clear? आ सकता है, बट आप कौन होते हैं डिसाइड करने वाले? कंपनी डिसाइड करेगी ना बेटा. इट कैन बी ऑन द एप्लीकेशन. आई टोल्ड यू इन द स्टार्टिंग, प्लीज बी फोकस्ड, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. मैंने बोला था स्टार्टिंग में, यू हैव टू फॉलो द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन को फॉलो करना है. क्वेश्चन कह रहा है यानी कि कंपनी कह रही है. ओके, सो यू विल शो एन अलॉटमेंट, आई एम सॉरी, एप्लीकेशन, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, बट कंपनी नहीं चाहती है ना एप्लीकेशन पे, वो चाहती है फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉल पे, तो आपको उस पर दिखाना है. और कंपनी कुछ नहीं कह रही है, तो लॉ विल बी एप्लीकेबल. व्हाट लॉ सेज? अलॉटमेंट. स्टिल सम डाउट इज देयर? यस. ओके, नाउ अलॉटमेंट हम ड्यू करेंगे. रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, जो हम ड्यू करते हैं, अलॉटमेंट है, एप्लीकेशन है, फर्स्ट कॉल है, सो एवरीवेयर what to show? The amount which we are asking. So here the entry is debenture allotment account debit. Debenture allotment, normal entry. without discount. Just tell me the normal entry. Debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture. Is that okay? Yes, please. Debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture. Right? So what comes in the debenture first? Debenture में क्या आएगा? Of course, allotment कर रहे हैं हम. Face value. What comes? Face value. What is the face value? 50. What is the face value of the debenture? Use your mind. What is the face value? क्या फेस वैल्यू जब प्रीमियम पे होता है 100 plus 20, तो what is the face value, students? 100. When it is on discount, what is the face value? So why 90? Face value doesn't change. Face value is the value which company has decided, the smallest denomination has been decided by the company in the starting. Alright, either you issue the debentures at par, premium or discount. This is not going to be changed. Okay, face value वही रहेगी. Right? When it didn't change at the time of premium, so it's not going to change at the time of discount also. Are you getting my point? So if I take 40, so how comes the face value? What is the face value? 50. Are you getting? Face value is 50. So 10% debenture, 4,000 into 50. Okay?
मैंने इसलिए तो पूछा था, आप बोला था कि allotment में कितना लगेगा.
अब क्लियर है?
तो मैं तो allotment के हिसाब से बता रहा था.
Are you clear now? Yes. Now next one. So we have mentioned this is 2,50,000 rupees is the face value. Now, will you receive the face value?
No, ma'am.
Because I have provided 10 rupees discount. So what you are going to receive on, allotment? 40 rupees. Okay. So this is 4,000 into 40. Fine. So we can come to know that something is missing, and another important hint is given by the question itself that something will come in the debit. Something will come in the debit, and the figure is also clear. That's 40,000. Let's see. What is that? Discount is your फायदा or नुकसान? It's your loss. Okay, and losses are debited. So this is what, and every debit and credit has got its own name. The name is discount on issue of debenture account debit. 4,000 into 10 rupees is your 40,000. Is that clear, students?
Yes.
Okay. So this was due, and now you will receive bank account debit to debenture allotment. How much you are going to receive? Yes, how much you are receiving? 1,60,000. And we have to follow the same principle, just verify it. Debenture allotment has been debited by 1,60,000, so it is credited by 1,60,000. Is that clear?
Yes.
Everyone is clear? So, let's take a small example as we have done. Well, illustration number 6. Yes, please. But before starting the illustration number 6, I have to teach you something else, as a few students are joining the class first time. Yes. Issued at par, issued at premium, issued at discount. Clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, one is the situation we have done. You want to issue certain debentures, and you got the same number of debentures applied by the public. That's very rare in the real life. Okay. What happens in the real life? Most of the time, if your reputation is good, I mean your company's reputation is good, you get extra number of applications. extra. When you get extra application, this is called over subscription. And when you get less number of applications applied by the public, that is under subscription. In the same example, suppose you wanted to issue 4,000 debentures, you got an application for 4,200 debentures. So this is what? This is the case of over subscription, 200 extra. And if they have applied for 3,600 debentures, so this is what? Under subscription. All right. Now, in case of under subscription, there is no problem. We don't have to look about the minimum subscription and all. Hello. Okay. So we can issue the debentures. Fine. And in case of over subscription, we have the different options, the same options which we had in the issue of shares. What were the options? Yes, when you have over subscription, so what are the conditions? The first condition, rejection, applied and allotted. You have to prepare the table, applied and allotted. Alright? Suppose the number of debentures applied by the public is 4,200 and you have allotted, and of course you have to allot the number of debentures which you wanted to issue. That's 4,000. Alright? So, the first condition is rejection. You have allotted 4,000 debentures to the applicant of 4,000. Fine. And 200 applications you have rejected and you have to refund the money. You have to refund their money. Alright? This is first condition. Second condition is pro rata allotment. What is pro rata allotment? Partial allotment. Here you don't disappoint anyone and we find out the ratio, and on the basis of the ratio we allot the shares to them. Okay? So, it's 4,200, they have asked for 4,000. So we allot 4,000 debentures to the applicants of 4,200. Here we have taken a small, share, or you can simplify it. 21:20. Those who have applied for 21 debentures, they have been allotted 20 debentures only. Alright? Clear? So this is what pro rata allotment. And here the excess money will be adjusted on allotment. We will discuss later on. Fine? Now third one, the combination. Third method is the combination of first two methods. How this works? The first one, applied for 4,000, right? And you have allotted, actually let it be 3,800, and you have allotted 3,600 to these people, right? And remaining 400. The different conditions can be there. Please look at the board. This is 4,000 and here this is 4,200. There can be different combination also. Okay, and they can reject it also. Rejection can be included in that, as we have seen 3 categories they have. Right? So we have 3 categories: rejection, pro rata, and combination of both of these. Okay. So let's take a small question. Illustration number 6. Nav Lakshmi Limited invited applications for 3,000 12% debenture of ₹100 each at a premium of 50 per debenture. Yes, please be attentive. We have 5 minutes only. Full amount was payable on application. Okay. Applications were received for 4,000 debentures. Applications for 1,000 debentures were rejected and application money was refunded. Debentures were allotted to the remaining applicants. Yes, be attentive. You have to understand the statement should be clear. After that, there is nothing in the solution. Okay. So, how many debentures it wanted to issue? Yes. How many debentures it wanted to issue? This company. Neither you listen nor you have gone through. It's telling Nav Lakshmi Limited invited application for 3,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 50. Alright, so total amount is 150. Now full amount was payable on application. What people have done, they have paid the full amount on application. That is the same case which you are asking in the question number 4. Okay. Now applications were received for 4,000 debentures. This is under subscription or over subscription? 1,000 extra applications you have received. Okay. So how to pass the entry? The first entry is the number of application which we have received and the amount. Bank account debit to debenture application account. Right, students? So what you have to keep in your mind, take care students, this question is asking the whole amount on applications, including premium, of course. Only one installment is there, that is your application allotment, so you have to pay the premium also, that and there, right? So applications were received and the extra application, these will be refunded. This will be allotted on the pro rata basis, but the money, on extra application, that you have to completely refund because full amount you have already received. Okay. So what comes? 4,000 applications, then how much you are receiving? 150. Okay. So that comes 6 lakh. Now second one, this is the time where we transfer the application money to the debentures. The same concept we have to follow. Debenture application account debit. This will be debited with the same amount which has been credited. 6 lakh. Yes. Now what? Debenture application, normal entry. Tell me the normal entry. Always extra things must be fed later on. How much percentage? 12% debenture. What comes in the debenture, students? Face value. What is the face value? 100. And another important point here. What do you have to remember? Face value plus number of shares of debentures which you have allotted. So what is the number of allotted? 3,000. So 3,000 into 100. So what comes? 3 lakh. Is that clear? Fine. Now another concept which we have learned it very nicely. Premium. These are issued at premium. Premium of 50 rupees per debenture. Okay. Premium is your gain. At the time of issue, instead of 100, you are receiving 150. So that's your gain and it will be revenue. Security premium reserve. You don't have to write SPR. No abbreviations. Okay. So what comes? 3,000 into 50. This comes 1,50,000. Right? And the debentures which we did not allot, the money will be refunded to bank. Although we can put the balancing figure, but you should verify what comes back. 1,000 debentures we are cancelling, and how much you have received on that? 150. Face value plus premium, you have received the whole amount. Okay, so what comes? 1 lakh. Fine. Students, always verify this. When you have this compound entry, so you must do the total, and most of the time if you commit some mistake, you can catch it then and there only. If your total matches, most probably your question is okay. Otherwise some mistake is there, you can find. Alright? So that's all for today. I hope you understood it properly. So do all the related illustrations and back questions, okay? So we will proceed in the next class. Thank you.